How to make chocolate. Making chocolate from scratch can be a complex process that requires specialized equipment and knowledge. However, here is a simple recipe for making homemade chocolate using cocoa powder. Ingredients: 1 cup cocoa powder, 1/2 cup coconut oil, 1/4 cup honey or maple syrup, half a teaspoon vanilla extract. Instructions: in a double boiler or a heat-proof bowl set over a pot of simmering water, melt the coconut oil. Once the coconut oil is melted, whisk in the cocoa powder until smooth. Add the honey or maple syrup and vanilla extract and stir until well combined. Remove the mixture from heat and allow it to cool slightly. Pour the chocolate mixture into a silicone mold or a lined baking dish. Refrigerate the chocolate for at least 1 hour, or until firm. Once the chocolate has hardened, remove it from the mold or dish and enjoy. Note that this recipe is customizable, so feel free to adjust the amount of honey or cocoa powder to suit your taste preferences. Additionally, you can add other ingredients like nuts or dried fruit to the chocolate before refrigerating for added flavor and texture.